Health benefit of guava leaves. So, dahon lang is grabe ng benefits ng ating dahon ng guava leaves. So, guava leaves contains antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals. Includes aiding in digestion, potentially regulating blood sugar level, boosting the immune system, and promoting skin and hair health. So, yung ating guava leaves is hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Nguyain mo yung dahon directly from pitas to your mouth. So, hindi siya nakakatakot na nguyain mo lang. Medyo mapakla lang siya na parang kasi meron siyang ano nga ba yan? Parang siyang parang siyang mapakla lang. And meron siyang antibacterial formula na 'di ba kung meron kang mga sugat is madalas